Hi there, Peter here from sleepapneastop.com. Today we're going to be talking about some of the factors that increase and or lead to snoring. There are several health risks and lifestyle factors that contribute to snoring, and this is true for both men and women, since snoring is a condition that does affect both genders. Though surveys suggest that men snorers outnumber women snorers by a ratio of 2 to 1. Some of the major health and lifestyle factors that can contribute to snoring include allergies, which can clog the airway and trachea, allergy medications, which can dry nasal cavities, cold and flu, which can similarly clog the airway. This is why some people experience snoring only when they're suffering a cold or flu. Thickened tissues in the nasal passages, which can sometimes result from surgeries unrelated to snoring. Overuse of nasal sprays, which irritate the nasal passageway. Enlarged adenoids and or tonsils. Goiter, a disproportionately large tongue that blocks airflow. Ineffective regulation and neutral control of muscle membranes. Obesity and excess weight, leading to an enlarged neck and excess soft tissue in the trachea. Excess gut or belly. Drinking alcohol, which sedates the throat muscles and causes them to collapse, and dilates blood vessels, which swell up throat tissue. Cigarette smoking, which inflames the upper airway. And the normal aging process, which can simply lead to a loss of muscle tone in the neck and thus snoring. A few notes on some of the points above. On obesity, since relatively more men tend to experience an excess gut, this is one of the reasons why more men tend to experience snoring than women. In regards to alcohol, any medication, prescribed over the counter or illicit, that leads to excessive relaxation can lead to snoring, which is alcohol would be one of them. For more information on exactly what snoring is and how to cure it once and for all, head over to our website by clicking the link below or visit sleepapneastop.com. Sign up for our newsletter and get your instant download free bonus on how to get a great night's sleep and a checklist on to see whether or not you have sleep apnea or not. Plus, we'll send you loads of other great material on how to cure your snoring and sleep apnea once and for all.